I have been thinking, Greek mythology does not reward kindness. Because how do you help humanity and end up in eternal suffering? Let me introduce you to Prometheus. Yep, the Prometheus. Yeah, humans are suffering, so this guy decides to be nice, and Greekgods are like, hold my lightning bolt. Classic. Prometheus wasn't even human. He was a titan. Smart, calm, thoughtful. The type that looks at humans and goes, wow, those people are struggling for real. They be suffering. Like, imagine your friend inventing literally every good idea and still getting clapped back. Management. Classic Greek energy. Humans at this time suffering bad. Cold nights, raw food, no warmth, just vibes and survival mode. Basically, prehistoric humans were living that mundane morning, no coffee, no Wi-Fi life, forever. Zeus looks at all this and said, they don't need fire, because apparently suffering builds character. Greek gods and bad decisions need a better door. Imagine your boss being mad you brought snacks to the office. That's Zeus right there, only with lightning. Prometheus said, yeah, no. That's it. That is it. So he steals fire for Olympus, hides us in a final stop, snakes it down to humans like, take this, but don't mention my name, okay? Classic rebel energy. Imagine being the ultimate whistleblower, but Greek mythology punishes you harder than HR ever would. And humans, immediate upgrades. Want cooked food. Choose civilization loading. Humans, from 0 to 100 real quick. Prometheus, the first IT upgrade guy, gets punished. Classic Greek mythology logic. But of course, Zeus finds out. Thunder, rage, ego damage. Because how dare knowledge be shared? Greek gods be like, you give humans what? Want? How dare you? Lightning activates. Zeus chains Prometheus to a mountain forever, then sends an eagle every day, liver eaten, every night, liver grows back, great meat set, no rest, no mercy. To be honest, I'd rather die than for my liver to get eaten than rather than have like an endless death, because how can I die? Wake up, die, wake up. This is crazy. Bro, this is the OG. You tried to have, now suffer energy. Forget karma. This is internal glitch mode. Endless pain, no apology, no thank you, just punishment. For helping. Imagine being punished for being helpful. That's literally every corporate suggestion box nightmare ever. Greek myths really said, power has been shared, knowledge is dangerous, and helping people will always threaten someone at the top. Prometheus didn't suffer because he was wrong, he suffered because he disrupted control. Basically, if you make life better for everyone, someone rich and petty is coming for you. But hey, fire saved humanity, and Prometheus paid forever. Classic Greek myth.